Hello everyone and welcome back. Alright, well, I just got out of work, but before I went to work today, I got an awesome package from K1 Locks, and thank you brother for all the awesome locks you sent me. And K1, he has an awesome channel for you guys to go check out, so please go check it out. But anyways, in that package was this ABUS 7240, and it's from a lock maker that I have never heard from before. It says number 4, Gereon Bodner, or Bodner, B-O-D-N-E-R. It's hard to see the bottom name there. But anyways, it's an ABUS 7240. It's got the keys mummied here, and well, I thought we would try to get this one open anyways, because it is a lock that from somebody I've never picked from yet, and actually I've never even heard of. But let's get in the device and we'll see if we get in it. I mean, the ABUS is a fun lock to pick to begin with, so let's see if we get in here and we'll see what he put in there for us. Alright, let me see here. I think I could go over the bottom of the I haven't picked the ABUS in a while. Maybe I could go bottom of the keyway though. I think I could work right off that ledge with a short hook from Sparrows. Alright, let's see here. One is loose. Oh, a little click from 2. Little counter off of 3 and a nice little click. Okay, trying to get under 5. Got some counter rotation here. Alright, we got a little bit of a falset there off of 5. And back on 4, I think. With some counter rotation. Some crunch in there. Okay, counter rotation here on 2. Oh, and we're open on 2. Alright, shoot, that was kind of quick. Let's try that again. Let's make sure all the pins are good. Well, we'll try it again. That was a little quick. Alright. Okay, I believe this is pin 3. Nice little click. Pin 4, trying to get underneath him. Little rotation, little click. And trying to get under pin 5. Let me see. I don't think I got pin 5 quite. Okay, I think I might have got him now. Some counter here off of 4. Okay. Some counter, I think this is pin 2. And pin 1. And we got a nice falset. Back to pin 2 again with a deep counter. And I don't think I quite set him. Alright, here we go. I think this is the 1. Oh, guess not. Oh, we're open. Alright. Yeah, that was a little bit better. Oh, not different. These are very fun locks to pick though. Alright, let's see what he put in there for us. Set it down here. We'll back this up. Sorry about that. We'll back it up. We'll grab a pinning tray. And let's see what he put in this lock for us. Alright, it's a Phillips. And, oh, I don't have my Phillips head on there, but I think I could still get it off with this. Ooh, it's very tight. No. Okay, and I just ruined that tip. Alright, let's get a Phillips out. Alright. Now, let me just push this stuff aside for now. Alright, let's see if we get this off now. My goodness. Alright, we got it. Whew. So I was going to have to get a bigger screwdriver. Alright. Sweet. Alright, actually, let's unmummy one of these keys. We'll do the foil one. Alright, where's the beginning of this? There we go. Ooh, that's some sticky foil tape. Yeah, very sticky. Alright. There's the bitting on the key. And let's see if it works. Yes, it does. Works very well. Alright, let's see if we get this clip off of here. Alright, let's see what we got, guys. Let me see, I got a smaller shim over here. Alright, okay, so I'm going to turn it this way. Put the half moon there, and let's... Alright, that plug follower is not going to fit. Hold on 1 second, I will be right back. What's nice about having a couple sets of plug followers, I believe the one that comes in this kit is a bit smaller. Alright, key pins are over there. Let's try it with this one. Yeah. Yep. Nice to have the option. Ooh, this is a 6-pin. I don't even think I don't know if I felt the 6-pin. I must have. Alright, well, they're all in there, and they all needed to be picked. Doesn't look like it did anything to that core. But let's check them out. Standard in 1. A little sharp serration there in 2. A tiny little standard there in 3. Another little sharp serration there. Another one with a very sharp serration on the top. And another one. Alright. Yeah. Unless there's counter milling in 2s. I think that is actually. Let's check that out. Oh, if it is, it's very slight. Might be on that side. Alright, let's check out what we got up here. Pin 1 is a spool, little steel spring, another spool here. I think these are commercials. I don't even see a spring in that one. Oh no, there it is. Oh, I think he's coming. There he is. Oh, he's a little copper spring. Another spool here in 3. Little steel spring. Okay, we got a one single serration there in 4. Another steel spring, and let's go through the back here for 6 and 5. Number 6, ooh, got a serrated spool. Another steel spring. And last but not least, number 5 is another single serration. Oh no, that's another serrated spool. A little bit different. Another steel spring. Alright, let's see. I don't think he did anything up here. I don't see any threading up here on the top. Normally you could tell by that. But let's take a look anyways, just to make sure. Yeah, nothing done up there. Alright, let's have a look at these pins, guys. Alright. Key pin 1, I actually thought that was a standard, and it looks like there's a couple of very, very fine serrations of some sort in that one. And then we have a nice little wide serration there, a very sharp edge on the top on 2. 3 is just a standard, very small one. 4, another wide serration there. 5, another wide serration, and 6, another wide serration. And up top here we have a commercial spool here in 1. Ooh, what have we got on that one? I think that's part of a spring or something. What do we got there? Actually, that's a serrated spool. Huh. Yeah, that's a serrated spool. What do we got here then? Let's look through the camera. Spool? What is that? A little T-pin spool. Couldn't see that barely unless I bring it right up to the camera. That's pretty cool. Little T-pin spool type. And here we got a single serration in 4. Let's take a look at this one. Another one with another spool with a serration there. And 5 and number 6. Again, spool with a nice serration, very sharp there. Alright. We got all steel springs except for this one little brass or copper spring, little spring that's been cut. But yeah, that was a fun lock to pick. Not too bad. And yeah, thank you K1 for sending this my way. And again, thank you for all the awesome locks. And Gereon Bodner, something like that. But yeah, alright, okay guys, yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys, bye.